Hello everybody, thank you for tuning into Quadency's support video series. You'll probably find this video on YouTube or on our website. We want to first off thank you for checking out our platform and seeing how it works out. So in today's tutorial, we're going to be going over the Market Maker. The Market Maker is known for being a bot that you use to execute a real-time market making strategy. So this bot will attempt to buy low and sell high by placing two simultaneous limit orders on both sides of the order book. When both orders are filled or stop loss is triggered, the process then repeats and two new orders are automatically placed. So this is a very common bot for our users. In order to start using this bot, you need to log into your Quadency dashboard. If you're not a Quadency member yet, just easily sign up with the link below or on quadency.com. Once you get into the dashboard, make sure you have funds both in your Quadency account. You either need Quad or USDC in order to place these orders and use these bots. And you also need to connect your exchange through an API. We have great resources for that, for all the different exchanges that we support, and you just simply spend 5 minutes, plug and play, and then you're ready to go and start trading. So the very first step, once you're on the dashboard, logged in, everything's set up, you're going to go up to the header here and you're going to click on bots. Once you click on bots, you're then just going to simply go to available bots, and then you're going to scroll down to the Market Maker. Then you're going to come up with a configuration name, and in this case, we're going to do demo underscore BTC for Market Maker. Then you're going to select the exchange that you want to launch this through, and you're going to then choose the account for that. So let me quickly select the exchange. We're going to do Kraken here. Then you select the accounts. You can have multiple accounts for the exchange. You can plug it into the platform here, but you can only register one with Kraken. Then you're going to select your market. Market is the exchange that you want to run. So we're going to do BTC USDT. And you're going to then come down here and you're going to select the amount for the order of that. So the amount to order is essentially the amount you want to buy or sell for each order that you're going to be placing. And it's going to be automatically running, so it's always going to be placing something new. So in this case, we're just going to go with something small of 0.0001, and then you're going to select the maker fee. The maker fee is the charged amount by your exchange for limit and resting orders. The fee amount will be added to the buy and sell threshold when calculating the price or limits order. So you're going to select the percentage for that. In this case, we'll just do something simple like 5. And then you're going to go to your buy threshold. The buy threshold is the distance from your mid price to place the buy order. So we're going to do something here, playing some volatility. We're going to do something like 1% here. And then you're going to also do the same thing for your sell threshold. So that's the distance from the mid price to place sell order. We're going to also do 1% here. And then you're going to have the next segment, which is the wait time before next order. And this goes by minutes. And it's the minutes to wait to place the next orders after both buy and sell orders are filled or the stop loss is executed. So we're just going to do 5 minutes here, and then we're going to have the wait time to cancel. Wait time to cancel and replace orders is the distance from mid price to place sell order. We're going to do something here of 5 minutes as well. Now you're going to set your stop loss threshold, which is the distance from last filled order to trigger stop loss. The stop loss is triggered if only one of the order is filled and the price moves away from the opposite order. So we're going to set something here, also 1%. We're going to just keep it very simple. So once you have all this information plugged in here, you're just going to hit start live, and then it's going to ask you if you want to execute, and you hit start live mode. And then you're just going to take your time and wait until the bot is live, and then you're going to see on the dashboard everything operating. As you can see up here in the right hand corner, the orders are already now in the order book, and you're going to see here on the dashboard everything that's going on. So you're going to see right here the actual graph from TradingView, and you're just going to see all the magic happen. You can already see down here the open orders that have been placed for this. So I hope this tutorial helped you and you're gonna have a good time trading. So much success out there executing trades, and thank you for being part of the Quad Squad.